everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bold your post text on Instagram. This is very easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, if you upload new post, or you can also edit your previous post, click on top right three dots, and after that here you can see option edit. Click on this. After that here you can see this post is so simple. First of all, copy this post and go to your Google Chrome, and here you need to search the bold text generator. Here you can see the bold text generator. After that here paste your font. After that you need to paste the font here. After that here you can see so many bold post font generated. Tap on this and copy this font. Again click on copy button, and here go to Instagram and delete this simple fonts and paste here your bold font. In this way you can easily generate unlimited bold fonts and font style for Instagram and for other works. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.